Robertshaw Thermostat common issues. Robertshaw thermostats are reliable, but they can sometimes have issues. Understanding common problems can help you fix them quickly. No display. A blank screen is a frequent issue with Robertshaw thermostats. This can happen for several reasons. Batteries. Check if the batteries are dead. Replace if needed. Power supply. Ensure the thermostat is properly connected to the power source. Fuse. Inspect the fuse and replace it if blown. Wiring. Look for any loose wires. Secure them tightly. Incorrect temperature. Sometimes the thermostat shows the wrong temperature. This can lead to discomfort. Here are some common causes. Sensor. The temperature sensor might be faulty. Replace it if necessary. Placement. Ensure the thermostat is not near heat sources. Move it if required. Calibration. The thermostat may need calibration. Follow the manual for instructions. Settings. Check and adjust the thermostat settings. Quick reference table. Issue, possible causes, solutions, specimens. No display. Batteries, power supply, fuse, wiring. Replace batteries. Check connections. Replace fuse, secure wires. Incorrect temperature. Sensor, placement, calibration settings. Replace sensor, move thermostat, calibrate, adjust settings.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.